Imagine making thousands of dollars every month by simply re-uploading videos from Chinese platforms like Bilibili, Youku, and Kuaishou. Yes, you heard that right, passive income from viral content that's already trending. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy and re-upload videos from these Chinese platforms onto YouTube without worrying about copyright strikes. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Step 1. Finding the videos. First of all, we have to find the video. To do that, all you have to do is open your browser and search for one of the Chinese apps. For example, I am searching for Douyin. Douyin is the Chinese version of TikTok. After accessing one of the Chinese video sharing platforms, we have to find funny videos or videos where you can do a voiceover. However, remember that the video you choose should have high views, likes, and engagement, indicating that people love to watch these types of videos. Suppose you find a video and want to use it on your channel. Before using it, do the following checks. Open their ID and check the followers and likes on their channel. If they are not up to the mark, leave that page and find another ID with viral videos on their channel. If that channel has more viral videos, then you can use videos from that type of channel. If you consistently use content from the same channel, your audience will relate to the character and you will get better engagement. For this reason, you should save the channel ID, as it may be difficult to find the same channel again on this platform. I'm going to recreate this video for my channel. Step 2. Download the video. After finding the channel and video, we have to download the video. You will find various websites to download the videos. Today, I will use info.ailockup to download the video. Actually, I will do all the tasks with info.ailockup. It's an AI-powered all-in-one content creation platform. I will put the link in the description. So, head over there and create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. You will find various AI tools or features like AI voice, AI avatar, AI writing, and more. But there is no option to download videos. To find the video downloader, click on See All Tools from here. Now you will find some other tools along with the downloader tool. Click on it. And this is our downloader interface. Here you can see the platform names. If your platform is not listed here, you can choose the other URL option. Okay, select the platform and then go back to your video. Copy the URL and then paste it into the URL box. After entering the URL, click on the Parse Links button from here, and you can see it detects the video. Now simply click on the download button to download the video. And our video has been saved to our device. Now let's move forward to the next step. Step 3. Translate the video. Now we have to translate the video into English or your native language. To do that, go to the Product tab from here. Here you will notice all the tools or features. We have to select the Video Translation tool. After arriving at the Video Translation interface, click on New Translation to start creating a video. A new pop-up will appear. There are two ways to translate any video. The first one is uploading the video clip, and the second one is entering the video link. Unfortunately, it supports only YouTube and TikTok videos. So, I am uploading the video clip I downloaded earlier. Now we have to customize some settings. First, the original language. We have to select Chinese. Next, the target language. You can select over 50 languages. I am going with English. After that, preserve BGM. If you want to keep the original video BGM, then turn it on. My suggestion is to use new music, so I won't use this feature. Next, the lip synchronization. It's highly recommended. Then the subtitle removal option. You can use existing subtitles from the video. I will use this feature. Finally, the subtitle option. If you want to translate the subtitle, then you can use this feature. Here you can even use bilingual subtitles. I will go with the translate subtitle. Once everything is set, you will find two options: proofread translation and translate video. The first one is to proofread the translated version. If you are proficient in both the original language and the translated language, then it's a very important feature. To proofread the video, click on the Proofread Translation button from here. It will take some time. And we are done. Here is the translated version of the video. On the left side of the video, you will find the transcription along with the original language and translated language. If you want to customize it, you can do it. Next, on the right side, you will find the subtitle editor option. Here you can set the subtitle text font, color, size, style, background, and even effect. Once everything is done, hit the Generate Audio button from here. After generating the audio, we have to export the video. So, click on the Export button. Now select Export Video. It will take some time, so fast forward this part. Okay, we are done, and our final output is ready. Let's have a look.
Waking up to a world in chaos, it's better to start harvesting. The harvester has come up.
The result is amazing. The voice is perfect and retains the original voice. It actually cloned the voice and created the English version of the voiceover. And you can see it added an English subtitle as well. Now click on the download button to save the video on your device. If you want to further edit, then click on the edit button. I think my video is alright, so I will download the video. Okay, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
I woke up feeling the world had collapsed. I might as well thresh grain. I can't earn much from this wooden board, so I had to lift it myself. I called out for a long time. There's a carp.
It's really amazing. And now we can upload it to our YouTube channel. These videos have a high possibility of gaining quick success. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience translating videos with the help of AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!